So first of all, I'm going to put the potatoes in the pan and we're going to cover it with just enough water to cover them. Should be enough there. So we're going to bring this to the boil and then we're going to cover and cook them for 5 minutes. Right, so that's boiling away nicely now, so we're just going to knock the heat down a little bit and going to crumble in this stock cube. So just break it up with your fingers. Just like that. Knock the heat up just a touch. And we're going to cover this now and cook it for 5 minutes. Now, in with the courgettes. Be careful because it's really hot. So courgettes are in, and we're also going to put the onion and spring onion. And just give it a little stir. So it's all covered with the liquid there. And the lid goes back on and we're cooking for another 5 minutes. So now off with the lid and in with the grated cheese. And I've also changed my mind. I'm going to just pop a little teaspoonful of garlic granules. So and just give that a little stir. And in with the salt and pepper as well, so as much or as little as you want. I always like to give it quite a lot of salt because I feel like it brings out the flavours in the other ingredients. And a little bit of pepper. And again, just give it a little stir. So we're going to pop the lid back on there and just cook for another couple of minutes, and that'll be it. So we're just going to use this to blend everything in and blitz it all up. And if you've got an allotment and you've got lots of veg, they're really worth investing in. So it's just got a little blade at the bottom there, and you can use it in the pan. So you don't have to use lots of different pots and pans and utensils and things. So you just blitz it all in the pan, like you'll see in a minute. And it's a really handy thing to have, so I'd definitely, if you haven't already got one, definitely think about investing in one. So I think I've steamed up a bit here, but lid off now. Turn that off, and we're just going to use this, let's see it properly here. I think it's called a pulser actually. Yeah, so this pulser or blitzer, whatever you want to call it, just to get in there and make sure you turn the heat off, and just to blitz it all down. If you need more water, you can add it as we go here. So just, again, it's personal preference, it just depends on how thick you want it. So I'm just going to start, make sure you got your towel because it's really hot still. And I'm just going to blitz it all down like that. And I don't really like my soups to be that chunky, so I'm just going to blitz this for quite a while, just so it's a nice smooth consistency, and then we'll taste it at the end. So I've just blitzed that, for just literally a couple of minutes. I haven't added any water, and it's got quite a nice smoothness to it. So I'm happy with that. Obviously, again, personal preference. Leave it chunkier or blitz it even further. If you like it runny, add some more water. But I'm happy with that, so let's see how it tastes. And just a little sprinkling of spring onion on the top there. And now the taste test. It's actually quite nice, that.
Sounds surprised.
It's a bit hot, but my eyes watering a little bit.
Kind of hot.
Yeah, it's actually really nice. So yeah, it's a good way of using up all your courgettes and potatoes. And as I say, just double the recipe. I'd definitely add the garlic. I know I didn't have it in the original lineup, but definitely put the garlic in because it makes a difference, I think. And yeah, I probably wouldn't alter it too much actually. So yeah, it's quite nice.